So finally, Dil Bechara released on Hotstar on 24 July 2020. The film, which is the directional debut of Mukesh Chhabra, based on John Green's 2012 novel The Fault in Our Stars. It stars, of course, Sushant Singh Rajput and Sanjana Sanghi. So, the book was adapted into a 2014 Hollywood movie of the same name and featured Ansel Elgort and Shailene Woodley in the lead roles. The main plot of Dil Bechara revolves around two characters, Kizzy and Manny. While Kizzy has thyroid cancer, Manny had osteosarcoma. The journey that they take together as they help each evolve and embrace life's imperfections is the driving force of the narrative. Following the movie, here's me telling you everything about the film. I feel the film has a strong metaphor. Since this is the last movie of Sushant Singh Rajput after his death and we are watching with tears in our eyes, metaphorically in this film too, the ending conveys the same thing. People watching his movie after his death. I literally cried realizing that. Talking about Sushant's performance in the film, he is like an angel performing in fairy tales for us. Every time he is smiling in the film is putting cherries on cake. He played layers of character in various films, like from Kai Poche Son Chidiya to MS Dhoni and Chichore. He did every kind of roles. But in this one, it was like he is playing himself, fighting from something that is inside of him with a big smile on his face. He is just charming and beautiful that one could not take their eyes off him. His naturality and smile gave me goosebumps. He was indeed a great actor. In the film, he plays Manny, a hardcore fan of Rajinikanth with a prosthetic leg. The movie is a twisted Desi version of the original movie. Talking about Sanjana Sanghi, the girl from the Rockstar leading in this one, is just so beautiful. She's just amazing in the film and did a great job in acting part. It's sad and traumatic for her that Sushant is no more, but I hope she will appear in more amazing films in future. More and more power to her. Swastika Mukherjee and Shashank Chatterjee plays the caring Bengali parents of Sanjana Sanghi, Kizzy, the lead actress. And trust me guys, the movie is incomplete without their performances. They are equally amazing as SSR and Sanjana are in the film. Coming to the technicality of the film score and soundtrack album are composed by A.R. Rahman with lyrics penned by Amitabh Bhattacharya. The soundtrack consists of 9 songs. The music is so soothing and experimental. Especially the song Main Tumhara is a beautiful song. The title song was shot later. Farah Khan took no payment for choreographing that song, which was shot within a single take from Rajput after only one day of rehearsal. Storyline is normally set according to the taste of Indian audiences, which is slightly different from the original. Its climax is really heart-touching and emotional to watch. The people who have already watched The Fault in Our Stars movie and have already read the novel are not going to appreciate this film because it's twisted and desi version of the story. Mukesh Chhabra, also known as Casting Chhabra, making his debut as a director, did a good job in extracting emotions out from the actors. I'm not gonna talk more about this movie because it is what it is. People gonna watch it anyway, and they should watch it without judging it. Make it the most watchable movie ever made. A tribute to Sushant Singh Rajput. We loved him so much and we will. To conclude, I just want to say that the movie blows you with the essence of falling in love despite tough times and how to still live in as a king and queen in difficult situations. We all will have an end to our story, but happily living, loving and making it worth is what this movie is all about. Thank you so much people. Hope you like this review. Please like and share this video. Also consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. I post videos every week. My name is Kapil Batra, signing off. Love cinema.